I'm that nigga from Chabas TV.
Illusion.
Andrew, you know, say you piss me off now. Why you
I don't know. Me a wait for.
Hello, sir. Why you make me walk all the way over here so far?
Me a wait for somebody. Me get the job.
You wait for somebody.
Me a run Uber. Look, see it.
Idiot, you can't even smell that boy you run over. Yes, we put in this
fed
car.
up by you, you know.
Take gas in that car, idiot.
You always a fight me when me try to do so good in a life, you know.
Some good love.
Illusion.
Alright.
I respect me, G. Oh, say you go now.
Hi, my name is Dolly.
I wanna give you some good.
Where you do run this?
Andrew, shut up. Anybody talk to you? Hush up your mouth.
I make love to you.
Embrace.
Stop, what you do?
You see me put him on your face.
Leave me alone.
And I'll hold you tight. Baby, hold you tonight.
Your pussy wet.
Yo, brother. Yo, man. Cancel that. Yo, me now bother come, brother. Yo, something deadbeat. No.
Stop, no.
How we had a poop eye for her?
Shut up, Andrew. Get me one.
Robot knee pan carpet. Oh, you a boss, I'm in a start, yeah. The liquor sink deep in my bloodstream. Clocks clean pan feet, I'm in a start step. Hey, babe, tell a nigga if you stop fresh. Jet ski on beach, make y'all wet. Come on my church, me a the reverend. Holy water, by your birthday.